A minor girl from Manipur who was missing since October 24th was rescued from Jasai in Navi, Mumbai yesterday. A team of Manipur police along with Mumbai police collaborated in the rescue effort, which led to the arrest of a man from Assam who reportedly lured the girl promising to marry her. The arrested person is identified as Abdul Manaf Chaudhary, age 25, from Ziri Ghat, Part 1, Assam. He pretended to be a Manipuri by using fake name Laishram Sanathol while luring the minor girl. The case came to light when the father of the victim filed a complaint to Thoubal Women Police Station on October 26 regarding missing of his daughter. Following this, a search operation was initiated under the supervision of Deputy Inspector General Jogesh Chandra Hawijam. The police then tracked the mobile phone signal of the girl and traced her in Navi, Mumbai. The minor girl was reportedly flown to Mumbai on October 24th by the accused. The accused person will be brought to Manipur after he is produced before a court in Mumbai today.